Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to iSky Productions. Today in this video I will have, I'm gonna unbox a product which I've purchased for my GoPro 12, and this product which I really hope will help me to attach the DJI Make 2 with it so I can make some vlogs as well. So I purchased this cage kit for my GoPro 12, and I really hope this will do what I was expecting. So let's have a look what is in this box. It cost me around 20 pounds on Amazon, and I've ordered this one like 5 days ago. It came quite late, but I'm not in a rush, so I want to have a look what's inside this box. So let's unbox the cage. So that's the cage. I guess this is the door for the GoPro. So basically, I probably need to take off the door from the GoPro and put this one. This, I believe, goes at the bottom. So I'll have a look what's in here. Cool. That's the cage. I was expecting something different, to be honest, like an adapter or something like that. And this is the cage. SmallRig looks interesting, but this is not it's not really what I was expecting, because there's just nothing inside here. So probably now we're gonna have to look for an adapter. I'm slightly disappointed, to be honest. I was expecting something different, but yes, that's kind of what I've received. So I'm gonna take my GoPro 12 and test it out and see what it's all about. It's got like a lock button. Okay, I probably need to do like that to open it. Alright, so now I get it. So this will go, I believe, like that. Nope. And it looks like this. Yeah, most likely like this. There you go. Yeah, it's in the cage. That's how you lock it. And this goes, so basically in the picture here was kind of an adapter for GoPro. So basically I could use my DJI Make 2 with this GoPro and make some vlogs. And as you can see here, this kind of door is not even closing properly, and well, the GoPro itself, it sits pretty good in the cage. In my personal opinion, it's not worth money. You can push this button and open this kind of little door, but when you push it, you want to close it, it's not closing properly. So as you can see here, on this side it's pretty much closed. It's closed alright. On this side, on our side, it's a bit of gap, so it's a really poor quality. For 22 pounds, I would probably say save a bit more money and just get yourself GoPro Media Mode, which probably I'm gonna do it myself. I'll probably return this one back and get a proper one to do vlog. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. It didn't came with adapter, but probably I haven't checked properly on Amazon. I thought it's coming with an adapter. Sadly, I'll probably have to pack everything back, put in box and return it back to the seller. Don't think will last me long, because as I said, it won't do what I want to do, and it seems I'm gonna have to send this cage back. Thank you for watching this video. It's kind of small review for what I purchased, and I wanted to have this one to do vlogs with GoPro, because I don't want to work with my M50 and a lens all the time and do vlogs. So far, if I got a GoPro, I want to be more minimalistic and, you know, small camera to do the job, just pack in a pocket and it is, you know, good to go. But this cage is a bit not what I want to do. It looks a bit more bulky as well with this, and probably, so I would say I'll pack it back in the box, send it back to the seller and ask for money back. Thanks a lot for watching this video. This was a quick review for what I purchased from SmallRig. It doesn't work for me, it might work for you. If it works for you, that's great news. If it doesn't, then you'll probably have to invest in something better or go direct with GoPro media mode. And as I said, this one cost me £22 on Amazon, came in 5 days, and I'm not really happy with it. Or as I said, I'm gonna pack it back and send it back to the seller. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up as well. Any questions about this product, ask in the comments. I'm not planning to do like a deep review of it, because once you've noticed something wrong with the product, you're not going to purchase and stick around with it for another review. As you can see, this door is not closing properly. I'm just thinking it's not worth the money, £22. Yes, thanks a lot for watching. Thumbs up, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.